Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LHT. Today we'll make a silicone mold out of this small statue. You can use any type of statue to make a mold from it. First we'll make the base for the mold. I'm using plastic bottle here. Measure the height and cut it out with this X-Acto knife. Cutting complete. Now I grab a wooden plank and fix this plastic ring like this. I'm using hot glue here to fix this and seal it properly. Also applying hot glue on the bottom of this statue and fix this inside the container like this. Okay, our mold base is complete. Now the time for the silicone rubber. Here it is. One silicone rubber and one catalyst. Unwrap the plastic. This is LSR2. Here is the user instructions. It's very important. And here are some pictures of many things you can make by using this silicone rubber. This is the catalyst. Using ratio is 3% to 5% by its weight. Now open it up. It's little hard to open. Nice. Open the catalyst also. And here is one container to mix these two parts. Using one wooden spoon. And here comes the rubber solution. And the catalyst. I already marked here by its volume, but you need to mix it by its weight for the best result. Here I used 700 gram of rubber solution and 35 gram of catalyst. Now mix these two parts properly and keep in mind you need to be a little quick. The working time is 10 minutes here. After that it will start curing. It's so satisfying. Now slowly pour the solution on the statue. Try to pour in thin stream, which helps to pop up the bubble inside of it. Once fully covered, let it be cured for 4 hours. Now it has been fully cured and the time to cut it open. First, need to cut out the plastic bottle. Open it up. And then using an X-Acto knife and carefully cut it open without damaging the inside statue. We'll cut out the two sides and take out the statue. Once it came out, it's ready to cast. Perfect. Came out very nicely. Here I am using a rubber band to fix it properly and prevent any leakage. Now on another cup add water and POP, that is plaster of Paris. Need to make a thick paste. Also mixing this good quality stone powder using for dental casting. You can get it from surgical store. Mix it properly and then pour the mixture in this mold. First a little amount and then move the mold like to spread the stone powder mixture all over the inside wall. Now pour the rest of it. You need to leave it for 6 to 10 hours for perfectly cure. Once hardened, start open the band and carefully open the mold. Take your time, don't hurry. It will come out perfectly like this. See how it's look? It's so beautiful. The mold is also very good quality. It's very nice. Now the time for the little touch up. Once touch up done, leave it in the direct sunlight for 3 to 6 hours. It will become a rock solid. Once done, you can keep it as it is, or you can paint it also. It will look so beautiful. This will be a perfect DIY gift for your friends or family, or you can start your own business by selling this statue. Here I made another statue with same mold. So guys, hope you like this silicone rubber mold making video along with how to make POP or stone powder statue. Hope this will helpful. You can check the description box for the products link. And if you like this video, do subscribe and also share your views in the comment section down below. Till then, thanks for watching and see you next time.